If your drab-looking garage floor isn't already worn out from years of exposure to dirt, salt, oil stains, and chemical spills, it will be soon. Unless it's protected beneath a tough new layer of Beauti-Tone HardCoat. HardCoat Epoxy Garage Floor Kit is an easy and effective new way to protect and beautify your garage floor and all kinds of interior floor surfaces. Turn your workshop floor into a clean, attractive, and well-maintained space. Transform your laundry and basement concrete into inviting and durable floor surfaces. Renew commercial concrete floors subject to higher daily traffic and abuse. Even all kinds of industrial concrete floors. HardCoat protects against oil stains, salt erosion, and general wear, is easy to maintain, and stands up to hot tires. Choose from two pre-tinted colors, tan and gray. From there, you're ready to go. The HardCoat Epoxy Kit covers up to 250 square feet and contains everything you need to achieve beautiful results. Here's how easy it is to upgrade your garage floor and more with HardCoat. This floor is drab, dirty, and is a sitting target for dirt, oil and chemical stains, and salt damage. But now, with HardCoat, this floor is going to look great and perform even better. The first and most important step is surface preparation and inspecting the concrete. It needs to be free of poorly bonded coatings, surface sealers, loose or dusty concrete, and excessive moisture in the slab. If you observe any of these issues, follow the detailed printed instructions that are in the kit. As well, the concrete and air temperatures need to be at least 10 degrees Celsius during application. First, we need to prepare a concrete cleaning solution. Fill a watering can with 2 gallons of water. Pour in all of the HardCoat cleaning crystals that came with your kit and stir it up thoroughly. Before using the cleaning solution, wet your garage floor. Now, apply the cleaner to the floor in manageable sections and let it sit on the surface for about 30 seconds to loosen the dirt and help open up the pores for added adhesion. Complete each section by giving the floor a good scrub with a stiff deck brush. And rinse thoroughly. If you're doing this on a basement floor, you will need either good drainage or a wet vac to remove the rinse water and allow for effective drying. For more stubborn dirt, a second cleaning application may be required. For garage floors, a thorough pressure washing is another extremely effective option. Its dirt blasting power can really clean out the pores for a solid bond. When complete, use a foam or rubber squeegee to effectively remove all standing water. Allow as much airflow as possible and let the concrete dry for 24 hours. For basement floors, allow 48 hours. To check for cleanliness of the surface, run your hand over the concrete. If your fingers remain clean and dust-free, your concrete is ready for coating. We're now ready to begin, so to get started, we're going to mix together the HardCoat resin and the hardener. Start by stirring the resin to prepare for optimal blending. Then add all of the hardener into the resin container and stir the mixture thoroughly for 3 minutes. Mask along edges and around fixtures to protect them from the HardCoat when application begins. As well, be sure to mask the floor along the bottom edge of the garage door. Coating the exterior portion of the garage floor is not recommended, since it would be continually exposed to UV rays, resulting in discoloration compared to the interior portion of the garage floor. Press the tape down firmly to ensure that there is no unsightly bleed of the coating. Start by cutting in HardCoat along all edges with a brush. This will make rolling HardCoat neatly onto the rest of the floor easier later on. Now, with a sufficient section of floor cut in, we can proceed with rolling on a uniform layer of hard coat. You're going to find that the hard coat finish glides on smoothly as it locks firmly into your concrete. At this point, you can just keep moving along until the floor is covered. And you can either leave the floor just as it is for a uniformly colored and attractive floor finish, or you can take it a step further. The hard coat kit includes optional decorative broadcast flakes, which we will use to add visual appeal and some slip resistance to the floor. With a manageable section of the floor coated, just sprinkle the flakes onto the wet surface as desired. When the coating is dry, the flakes will bond permanently within the finish. All we need to do now is keep moving along, repeating these steps. Roll hard coat onto a manageable area and sprinkle on the decorative flakes. Keep going until the entire floor is covered. When you get to the entrance of the garage, brush or roll carefully along the taped edge, overlapping slightly with the coating. Now peel up the masking tape at the entrance while the hard rock coating is still wet, and the job is done. You've just taken your drab, unprotected garage floor from this to this. Quickly and easily with the Beauti-Tone HardCoat Epoxy Floor System. Only at Home Hardware.